Hi everyone, I'm Gergely. Welcome back to Vizcom 101. In this video, we'll explore how to make adjustments in Vizcom on an already created proposal. First, we explore how to make quick changes with Modify, then we explore a more precise way of adding elements in Studio. Let's dive in. So if we generated quite a bit of results before, but none of them exactly nails what we wanted, we have to make adjustments on the design. One way is to ask Modify to make the change that we want to have by using simple commands. Now we can also add to the generated results. The same way, we can refine it further with the modify function, adding another description to it. Don't forget to generate more results for variety. If you want to place or sketch specific things on the design, we have to go into the studio view. So let's double click and maybe let's add a logo. So I import an image and then use the move tool to position it at the desired area. We can roughly adjust the shade by this opacity setting now at the layers panel. And that's it. Now we put on a logo as well, so it will be sort of baked into the aesthetic as we progress further in the generation process. And that concludes how to make adjustments on already created proposals. We made some quick changes with Modify, and then we put on specific elements in Studio. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the next video when we progress further in the workflow.